Water scarcity is a neglected topic, despite being one of the most pressing sustainability challenges. This year, SUEZ stepped in the classroom to educate students and create long-term impact through awareness and behavior change. Along with parents from the Sustainability Committee, I design and run this project on water conservation with the French 4e class, partnering with internationally renowned water experts, ensuring credibility and real learning value.
Young people are the leaders of tomorrow, so supporting environmental education is essential to us. Our long-standing partnership with FIS Hong Kong reflects our commitment to empowering students to take action on environmental challenges.
We identified that 2/3 of our school's freshwater consumption was mainly in the sectors of canteen and irrigations.
Flushing uses 54% of our school's total water usage.
We propose a 3-level filtration system: sand filtration, UV light, and active carbon. We can reuse canteen water for hand washing.
We could use a mosquito-proof tank to collect the rainwater, and we can use the water from the bathroom sinks. The soap should be eco-friendly, and we could use a filter, and water plants if necessary.
The SUEZ professional asked us, what is the solution as its whole? It helped me reflect way more, trying to connect stuff.
After our presentation, the expert from SUEZ gave us a lot of intel of how to take action. There was a problem with the toilets and pipes.
This project was really eye-opening. As a group, we can always change things for the better, and it is up to us to do so.
My biggest lesson is that saving water isn't enough. We also need to consider the water quality and the environmental impacts.
Thanks to the professional advice from the SUEZ company, they managed to change our thoughts about water usage daily, come one step closer to revolutionizing.
SUEZ is really good at helping us find leaks. A small drop of water can waste gallons.
I have been personally impressed by how students have imagined, designed, and scaled innovative solutions to save water on the campus. The next step is to implement the best ones, and we look forward to continuing this collaboration to turn ideas into real impact.